Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use camera in Pro manual mode in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open camera app. Now after opening the camera app, swipe left and go to the More tab, and from here select Pro mode. So this one is for photos and you also have a Pro mode for videos. So just simply tap on a Pro mode to use, and then it will open the Pro mode settings. So you can adjust the ISO, shutter speed, focus and white balance. So there are a lot of settings that you can adjust, and after adjusting you can press this shutter button to take picture with Pro mode. So that's how you can use camera in Pro manual mode in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.